Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to access recordings in Zoom. So this is very simple. First,
Recording in progress.
I will record a simple recording, so I will stop it right now.
Recording stopped.
And now, in order to find your file, as you can see, the recorded file will be encoded when you end the meeting. So end the meeting, click end meeting for all. And now when meeting is ended, it will convert your meeting file and it will show you this folder, automatically open it up. But if it doesn't open it up for you, just go to your user's Apple documents and then to Zoom, and then simply click right here. It will be date and your name and Zoom meeting, and there you should find your recording. It is really simple. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.